to broaden the horizon of our members. They go to school and they study about countries like New Zealand. All the Kiwis make some noise. Also study about countries like Australia, Canada, Germany, United States, other countries in Europe, Japan, China. They study, even our own islands, they study about at school. And as a non-profit organization, we fundraise vigorously so that we're able to take our members to these countries that they study about at school. So we are not only here to instill the mana of the Cook Islands culture into the atmosphere of the Punanga Nui Markets, we're also here as part of our fundraising efforts. So when you hear the drums, your heart starts beating a little bit faster. Then you see the dancers, your body starts shaking a little bit. Let me tell you what's happening to you. That is the mana of the Cook Islands culture telling you to stand up, shake your body like that, take your hands, dig them deep into your pockets, both pockets, pull everything out of those pockets, dance to the front, throw everything inside that blue bucket over there. We know why you are here. You are here to detox. That's right. Back home you work long hours. Some of you leave home dark, go to work, come back home dark again. So you are here to detox. Let me tell you the problem. The toxin is in your pocket. You need to get rid of it. The blue one, not too bad. The green one, you're on the borderline. It's the red one that's causing that big problem. Throw that red one inside there. I promise you, you will feel energized because all that toxin is all neutralized by the blue bucket. Next on our show, we bring our dancers back on stage. They're going to perform for you an action song called Oroyara. Before they come on, I want to share with you a bit of an experience. 2015, we took our members on a cultural exchange tour. First, we had a concert in Mangere, Auckland, New Zealand. Then we hopped on a plane, flew over to Hawaii, performed at the Kamehameha schools. Cultural exchange program. Also on the main stage and the Pacific Theatre, Polynesia Culture Center, and also other youth clubs around Hawaii. Then we hopped on the plane, flew over to the mainland United States, got our kids to experience Disneyland. Awesome trip. That wasn't enough. We hopped on the bus and drove all the way to show them the 1 million light bulbs on the strip of Las Vegas. Oh, that was for the adults. But anyway, a lot of the times we spend on the bus, on the highway. And every time we come close to a McDonald's outlet, see the huge letter M in yellow over the horizon. Every time we come close to a McDonald's outlet, these young girls, they always say, Uncle Toji, Uncle Toji. Uncle Toji is our team leader. Uncle Toji, stop the bus. We want to have a McDonald's. Uncle Toji always says, no, we cannot stop the bus. We do not have enough money because those people in Raro at the Punanga Nui Markets did not put enough money in the blue bucket over there. So ladies and gentlemen, if not for the drummers, if not for that handsome MC, at least McDonald's for our young kids next time we take them on a trip, here they come with Oroyara. Here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Danny's going to come around with a bucket, please. Please, help out with your fundraising. How about that, Danny? That's why we're here to fundraise. Help out with Danny and including our young dancers. With a beautiful song.
Oh, Māori. Awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for your contribution towards our fundraising efforts. Also want to let you know, our dance team, we have achieved one of our main goals, and that is to record our music, our drumming, our songs, recorded on CD and DVD. And we've got that available over here on this table on the mountainside of the stage. Also with other talents here in the Cook Islands, right over there. Come see our Peter and he will sort you out. All right, at this time I'd like to bring your attention to backstage and introduce you to the drummers. We're going to explain to you how we hit these drums. Now these drums, this one, carved out of the Polynesian mahogany. This one is called the pā te taki. And the purpose of the pā te taki is to lead the beat. On this pā te, our team leader Toji, give us a beat. Alright, there's our beat, nice and simple. Over here is the pā te tamanamangata. He sort of comes up with the beat that goes in between the beat of the pā te taki. And we've got Rob Karikok Megatong Pana. Alright, same beat, but a little bit different. Over here, getting more and more complicated, is the pā te tamanamangata. We've got Kura. Yes, now the most complicated pate is the pate Takirua Nero. Woo! Yeah, give him a hand. Over here is the Pau Mango, blending the sound of the beat. Vaidodi! Now the leading the speed of the beat is the Pau Chani. The drums of the Cook Islands. CD and DVD right over here on this table over here. Next on our program, we've got a sponsored item, sponsored by Highland Paradise. Hands up if you have been to Highland Paradise. Did you enjoy it? Yes. Highland Paradise is an area of land on the western side of Rarotonga. There's a flat top mountain over there. At the base of this mountain is an area of land that was cleared in the 1970s by a man called Raymond Pirangi. It's an area of land where our ancestors used to live before the missionaries arrived in 1823. There's an ancient marae over there. A marae is a place where our people used to worship. They also had meetings on the marae. And the last war that happened here in Rarotonga took place about 2 weeks before the missionaries arrived in 1823. And there's a valley over there called Ororoa Mo. There's a lot of history on that side of the island, and they have a day tour from Monday to Friday, and also Island Nights Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And they have a couple of tickets to give away. So what's going to happen is we're going to give you a free lesson in Cook Islands dancing, especially for those of you who are here for the very first time. You know, when you go out to these Island Night feasts and shows, eventually during the show, somebody from the dance team will invite you to participate. And what you're supposed to do is to give it your best shot at Cook Islands dancing. So we're going to give you a free lesson so that when that time comes, you never know, you're ready and you're prepared. So if you want to learn Cook Islands dancing, come on up, let's have some fun, but we know you're shy. We're going to send our army of girls to pull you up on stage. Here they come, let's have some fun. Hey,